Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Check it out. Imagine smashing the like button. You know, you guys, listen, in these videos that I create for you on YouTube here, and I say, hey, smash the like button. What if you can get paid by smashing the like button over and over again, okay, and get paid in the process? I'm talking about up to $47,000. You see here in lifetime earnings here. And just imagine just going to a website, smashing the like button, using your Instagram account, Facebook account, YouTube account, and making money online every single time that you smash the like button here. Now, I know a lot of you may say, nah, Wesley, that's not possible. Listen, with that mindset, you'll always be broke. With that mindset, you'll never make money online here. So, listen, you know what to do. Smash the like button. You're not going to get paid, right, on this YouTube video if you smash the like button, but I will show you how to do it and show you how to do it very quickly. This is for newbies, people who never make money online, and this is for people who want to be in their bed like me and do their feet like this and relax while they make money online, okay? So pay attention, sub to the channel if you see value, smash the like button, always comment below and say, Wesley, this is the type of money I want to make, and I'm willing to do what it takes to make money online, smashing the like button. Check it out. This is all you have to do. You see the site right here? It's a brand new site, brand new to me, brand new to you as well. Check it out. Facebook, you got a Facebook account? Yeah, they get paid to like. YouTube account, yes, they're gonna pay you to like a video through the platform here. Stumble account, Instagram, Twitter here. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Wesley, are you telling me that I can log into this website right here that you're going to give us for totally free here on YouTube and they're going to pay me money? Absolutely. Now listen, disclaimer, this is not meant to make you rich. This is meant for you to make some extra money. See, this is what I do. I use a lot of these websites here, all these techniques on my YouTube channel to make a ton of money. It's not because it's from one source. I use a lot of different ways because I want residual income. How many of you right now smash the like button if your desire is to have sleep income in your bed? Like, I'm in my bed right now making money, smashing the like button. Does that make sense? So listen, I want you to understand something. This is very easy, but you have to put in the time. And the great thing about this, you don't have to put in a lot of time here. So look, I'm gonna break it down to you. So look here, if you got a Facebook, smash the like button, comment below. YouTube account, Stumble account here. I'm going to tell you how this site works and how they're going to pay you. You go here if you want to cash out. Once you start earning money, you can cash out at any given time once you have money in your account. And I'm going to show you step by step how it works. All I ask you to do is smash the like button. Like I said, it's for the YouTube algorithm. You're not going to get paid for smashing the like button. You smash the like button because you like Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Make sense? Let's get it, baby. So the name of the site is called LikesPlanet.com. Please go there now, okay? Go to LikesPlanet.com. This is for anybody that spent a lot of time on social media, right? You watch a lot of YouTube videos, things of that sort. You can go through this platform, and through this platform, they're going to pay you cash. Cash. You hear me? They're going to pay you cash money through this platform here just by smashing a like button. And it's crazy. So many people are doing this right now. So listen, like I said before, if you want to cash out, because people always ask me, well, Wesley, how do you make money? Well, how do you get the money? Go to cash out right here. Okay. See here? As you can see, once you get 5,000 points, you get $1. And I'm going to show you how to get points on autopilot. And we're talking about 50,000 points a day. It's very possible, but you got to use this secret loophole that I'm going to expose in this video. And that's why I asked you guys to smash the like button, because, you know, a lot of people there, you got to pay for information like this. Me, I'm gonna give it to you for free because I want you to win. I want you to make money online, and I want you to get paid per like to make some money right now. We're talking about PayPal money. So listen, all you have to do is have a PayPal account here, and they're gonna pay out a minimum of $2 up to $40,000 like you've seen before here. And your account very soon, as you watch the video to the very end and pay close attention. Like, don't fast forward through the video. Pay attention, because we're going to go step by step on how to do this. Comment below. Let's go. Hey, I'm talking to you. All right, now check it out. So basically, this is what we're going to do here. okay? If I go back here, if you want to earn money, you click on, and say if you have a Facebook account, okay? You click on Facebook, you go to page likes. You get paid for web shares. You get paid to like photos. How many of you like photos all day, every day, and get paid $0? All of you, right? That's stupid. That's not smart. Understand this. This is great for teenagers. This is great for people who spend a lot of time at home. It's great for people who spend a lot of time on their phone at work, right? Use this a couple hours a day and make some extra cash here. So if I go to page likes here, check it out. So basically, see this? Like 14 points, like it, 14 points. So the money will start adding up. All you need to do is just hit that like button, and it's going to go to your Facebook account, and they're going to like it. Now, you may be asking, well, why? How can they afford that? Because these people here, they pay this site to get likes on their Facebook and Instagram pages. Does that make sense? Let me say it again. These people here, they pay this site to pay you to like their content, right? That's it. So you do this all day, every day. And like, say if you got a YouTube, right? Like you're on YouTube right now, right? To make money online. That's what you search on this website here, and you just like. Watch a video for 4 seconds, like. Watch a video for 4 seconds, like. Okay? Now I know what you guys thinking. Wesley, I only get 1 point. I mean, that's not a lot of points, man. I need a lot of money. Like I said before, listen to the very end. I'm going to give you a cool strategy. It's a loophole, okay? So you can get 50,000, 10,000 points in 1 day, okay? Is that cool? Automatically, without all the work here, okay? So look, you can do it on Instagram for followers, for photo likes, Twitter as well. So basically, it gives you the opportunity to use social media. Hello? You use social media to do this, okay? Now, understand this. Before I give you the loophole, because I know you guys are eager, I want to do something else nice for you. The first person to tag many people below in this video, I'm going to send your Cash App in this video. I'm going to come back to this video when I look through it tomorrow. Actually, right now and tomorrow, I'm going to comment below under the person who tagged the most people and share this video out right now. If you want free money, listen, you're going to make free money 2 ways. Through this website, and Wesley Virgin is going to bless somebody, several people. I'm going to comment under your comment below. Put your Cash App, like it, share it to as many people as humanly possible. Why? Because people got to know about this, right? And I'm going to send out some money here, okay? So listen, you might be thinking, okay, Wesley, how do I get more people to engage? It's 2 ways. Write this down, please. Go to the site called Trendry.com. Please screenshot that. Trendry.com. It's a money-making forum, and all you need to do is join the forum for free, by the way. Okay? You join for free, and you basically share your referral link, okay? This is what I didn't tell you about here, but I'm going to tell you about it right now, okay? So on this site, they're going to pay you $200 here, okay? A 200 daily bonus here. See that? Okay? 15 likes. Clicks the button below. You earn 50 daily points here. A bigger bonus here. If you do 100 hits, you win 150 daily points here, okay? And you also can refer it out as well, okay? And I'm trying to find exactly where that's on the website. Here it is. Go here, earn by referral. Can you see this? Earn by referral, okay? This is what I like to do, okay? And understand this. This is number one. I got another one that's going to blow your mind here. This affiliate referral, after you sign up for the page and you get your referral, okay? They're going to pay you 50% of what the other people do, okay? That means that it's like a company. If you're the boss makes money off of everybody else that works for him. So now you're going to be your own boss. You're going to refer many people from this site, because people that go to this site, Trendry.com, you have millions of people every single day go here because they want to learn how to make money online, right? It's very recent. Yesterday, people are very active here, and you just share it out to these people and say, you want to earn some extra money? You want to earn some extra money and make money online? You want to make money online? You leave your link. That's it. Does that make sense? It's that simple. You engage with all the thousands of people that are right here. They're active every single day, and you get these people to sign up, okay? That's one way. Now, here's the most powerful way. so you can start seeing money fast. And we're talking about tens of thousands of dollars per month. I know a couple of people that do it, and I'm gonna give it to you for free. Look, go to this website right here. Look, Fiverr.com. Easy, right? Go to Fiverr.com, and I want you to type in the word virtual assistant, okay? That's how I make all my money. Look, watch this. So you pay these people $5 here. $5. This young lady would do whatever you want her to do. So since you're at work, since you're taking care of the baby, since you're too busy playing video games and watching YouTube videos, you tell this person, you give them $5 and say, hey, I need you to go through this site and I need you to earn me points. Now this is powerful. Smash the like button. This is very powerful. And I have more videos like this that you're going to see on my channel that you may choose to watch now. But check it out. Like when you get ready to cash out, you say, hey, you can't leave until you have 50,000 until you have 50,000 points. Okay? Because remember, 5,000 points equal $1. So if we want to get about $5, that's 50,000. And if we want, $10 is 50,000. That makes sense? So it's up to you, right? And you have this person that you pay $5 to, and they're doing this every day for you. Does that make sense? They're doing the work for you. Yes, this is real. They're doing the work for you every single day. Now listen, let me show you something that I've never showed before, because I know some of you guys still doubt it, and that's why you're broke. I mean, I love you, and I'm gonna continue to make money online videos like this, because everything that I teach you, I do myself. But check this out. Let me show you something. Hold on. Give me a second. Say if you want to get paid some big cash, okay? Paid to do jobs. You go here. They're going to give you 450 points. Guess what? You don't have to do this, okay? You don't have to do this. You let the guy that you're going to hire from Fiverr, $5, he's going to do this for you. So now he can earn up to 1,000 points, 100,000. Look at this. This is crazy. All you have to do is go to dailymotion.com. Follow the channel. They're going to give you 450 points. If you follow this channel right here, they're going to give you 225 points. Does that make sense? So listen, you don't have to do it. You can either do it yourself, or you can let somebody else do this. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, everyone? Okay? All right? And listen, this is a brand new account. I created a brand new account for you guys so you guys can see this from scratch. You know what I'm going to do one day? I'm going to log into one of my main accounts on this website here, okay? I have some friends, they're doing some insane numbers, okay? But listen, all you have to do is register for our account. Let me log out, okay? Let me log out. How many of you believe that you can do this? Honestly, just hit the register button and try it out for yourself. Try it out, right? And make sure you watch the video over and over again so you get it, and you get it fast. And that's easy. Now, who wants to cash out? I want to give somebody some money. Let's go to cashapp.com right now. And like I said before, all you got to do, if you want some Cash App money right now, baby, I'm talking about Cash App. Listen, like the video, share it out. The more people that you share it out to and tag below, you're going to win the money. I'm going to come back to this video right now. I'm going to comment on your video because I want to show you some love. Listen, you can do this, okay? You can do this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave a couple of videos up that you're going to see right now. Listen, take action. I love you. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Later.